Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Friday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 17th of May 2024. US Dow Jones fell 0.10%, settling the day at 39,869.38 while Nasdaq ended the session at 16,698.32, falling 0.26%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 38,794.66 and Hang Seng is trading at 19,532.37. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 22,476.50, indicating a start in green for the Indian market. FII sold crores 776.49 the cash market in the last trading session. Reliance Jio Infocomm Limited has deposited 3,000 crore rupees as earnest money for the upcoming spectrum auction, nearly 3 times the amount submitted by rival Bharti Airtel. Vedanta plans to reduce debt with 8,500 crore rupees fundraising. Now talking about global aspects, industrial production in the US was little changed in April, following a 0.1% increase in March and missing market expectations of a 0.1% growth. The number of people claiming unemployment benefits in the US fell by 10,000 to 222,000 on the week ending May 11, less than market expectations of 220,000. The Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index in the US remained positive but dropped 11 points to 4.5 in May 2024, from a 2-year high of 15.5 in April. WTI rose 0.8% to settle at $79.23 a barrel, while Brent rose 0.6% to $83.27 a barrel. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.36%, down. The US dollar is trading at 104.52, up by 0.17. Here is a recap of Thursday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices experienced a sharp rebound from lower levels, attracting investors as market stability was bolstered by the India VIX cooling down below the key psychological mark of 20. The key indices, Sensex and Nifty, concluded the day in green territory, closing at 72,663.72 and 22,403.85, respectively. In terms of sectoral performance, all sectors posted gains except for PSU banks. Outlook for the day. The Nifty index has been trading within a broad range of 22,000 to 22,600 over the past few sessions, and a critical support level at 22,000 for the short term and 22,250 will act as immediate support. The immediate resistance level is pegged at 22,550. The Bank Nifty is now targeting its next immediate resistance level at 48,400, and if breached, it could lead to intensified buying pressure, potentially pushing it around 48,800. At present, the index encounters immediate resistance around the 48,200 mark. A decisive breakthrough above this resistance level could prompt short covering actions, potentially driving the index higher towards the 48,800 mark. Stocks on radar are HAL, Honeywell Automation, NCC, Alcon. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.